on these tiny Lenovo units, when you press the button, power button, and it doesn't do anything, it doesn't power up, maybe you did remove the top cover, you did remove the rear screw, and then slide the top cover front, and when you put back the front cover, it's not all the way back, so the outer button here doesn't touch the inner button. You can also look from the sides. If you see this gap, the top cover, it's not all the way back, so you should push it, force on it, push it back. I got the cover back. Now let's try it again. And you should actually, you feel inside that it's touching, it's pushing on something. Now it's powering up.